Why do Waldorf schools have woodworking in their curriculum? They begin doing this woodworking, after the 9-year change. So when they go into 4th grade, they're physically and mentally and capable of meeting this wood with their hands. They're awakening their hands, and they, frankly, they love making things. And the more opportunity you can give a child to use their hands to make something, the more confidence built in their life that they will carry throughout the rest of their learning. I can say that of all the children that I've known that have gone all the way through the Waldorf education, they have been successful adults. They've gotten into good colleges. They're happy, and they love to continue making things the rest of their life. Join me as I take you through the Waldorf Woodworking and Practical Arts curriculum. I'm sure that you're going to enjoy it. I'm going to enjoy teaching you.